Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the revolutionary brand new DigiNew Ego electric bike. Come take a look at this. When we look over here on the instruction panel, or on the cluster panel, I'm going to start the bike and this is what it sounds like when the bike starts. Now at this point the bike is started and it's basically the electric version of idling. So over there you can see there's three different sport modes, or three different modes. You've got economy, you've got city, and you've got sport. And over here is your cluster where you can see all the information, your battery, your speed, etc, etc. I'm going to show you exactly what is exceptionally nice about this bike. It's got swappable batteries in it. Over there is our battery. There's your battery, there's the plug that goes into it, and it also locks and unlocks over there where you can pull the battery out again. Okay, then when we come over here to the back, here you can see it already comes stock standard fitted with a box. And the nice thing about this is that this bike not only has 140 kilometers, between 140 and 150 kilometers on a single charge that it can drive, but it can also swap batteries. We are busy putting up battery swapping stations across the country so that you will be able to swap your batteries at any battery swapping station closest to you. And come look at this. Over here, when you look there, that lock right there locks the steering column. It's an additional feature that prevents the bike from getting stolen, so someone cannot push the bike away. Now, what's also very nice about this, you can switch this bike off live over the internet. So if you ever suspect your bike is stolen, you can switch it off from your profile on the internet and the bike will not be able to drive. So it will literally power off by switching it off over the internet. Let's take it for a spin so you can hear what it sounds like. So, how much does it cost to drive this bike per kilometer? Approximately 12 to 15 cents a kilometer. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want more information or you're interested in this, send the word info in the comment section below and I'll send you all the information.